Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing about packaging of ginger powder. Firstly, we'll have a quick look at ginger. India is a land of spices. Ginger is a well-known plant which has been widely used as a flavoring agent and herbal medicine for centuries. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants that prevent stress and damage to your body cells. India is a leading producer and exporter of ginger in the world. We can make a use of ginger and process it into different value added products like ginger powder. But again, we need to consider the stability of the product for a longer period of a time. In this, packaging will help you a lot while deciding the shelf life of your product. Now we'll see about the functions of packaging. The packaging is mainly carried out so as to contain the product, to protect the product from different hazards. The packaging will provide a convenience to the consumer, and again it will act as a mean of communication to give an information about the food product. The packaging needs to have an ability to protect the content from spoilage and spillage. It should offer protection against environmental conditions, and it should have a property called moisture barrier. It should prevent insect infestation and insect damage to the product. It should offer a protection against microorganisms. Some of the microorganisms which are aerobic, which needs oxygen for their growth, will get retarded. This property of packaging material is called as oxygen barrier property. The packaging material should be economical, it should be easily available and easy for disposal. The strength properties to withstand the mechanical hazard during transportation and storage of the food material should be good enough. It should conform with the laws and regulations stated for the food product, and it should align with the requirements of packaging and labeling of FSSAI. Again, it should have good printability so as to have a good label on it. While considering the packaging of ginger powder, one should first need to understand the deteriorative factors which will degrade the quality of ginger powder. The first deteriorative factor for ginger powder is its moisture content. Ginger powder is hygroscopic in nature and resulting in sogginess and caking or lump forming. Pickup of moisture also results in a loss of free flowing nature of the spice powder, and again the increased moisture content may lead to microbial contamination. The next factor is loss of aroma or flavor. Ginger powder contains volatile oil which impart the characteristic aroma or flavor to the product. Loss in the volatile oil content or oxidation of some of the aromatic compounds results in the aroma loss or flavor loss. Another factor is microbial contamination. In high humidity condition of about more than 65%, the moisture absorption will occur. As we have seen, the ginger powder is hygroscopic in nature, so at a high humidity condition, it will absorb humidity and moisture will get increased. Beyond a certain level of moisture content, spoilage will occur due to the growth of microorganisms. For ginger, more than 3% moldy pieces and or insect infested pieces by weight are not recommended. Next deteriorative factor is insect infestation. Ginger powder spoilage due to insect infestation, which can be further accelerated due to high humidity, heat and oxygen. The another factor is discoloration. Ginger contains some natural pigments. Light can affect the pigment, resulting in loss or fading of the color and gets deteriorated. So looking at the deteriorative factors, the packaging material needs to fulfill certain requirements. So we'll see the packaging requirements for the ginger powder one by one. The packaging material should protect the product from spillage and spoilage. It should provide protection against atmospheric factors such as light, heat, humidity and oxygen. The packaging material should have high water vapor and oxygen barrier. The packaging material should have a high barrier property to prevent aroma or flavor losses, and the external odor should not be get absorbed. Good machinability, printability should be there, and it should be easily available and disposable. It should be grease and oil resistant and compatible with the product. The volatile oil present in the product has a tendency to react with the inner layer of the packaging material. So in such cases, packaging material should avoid all these things. There are different packaging systems that we can utilize for the commercial storage and sale of the ginger powder. The first system is bulk packaging system. For bulk packaging of ginger powder, we can use woven plastic bags which may be laminated or provided with a loose liner bag and a multi-wall paper sack with a plastic liner bag. The plastic-based alternate packaging materials are used to overcome the contamination problems associated with the jute bags. Moreover, the plastic bags or liners also helps in retaining the quality of the spices packed inside for a longer period of a time. In these images, you can see the form of bulk packaging like U-panel bulk packaging, circular or tubular packaging, baffle Q bags, ventilated bags, single and two loops bags, conical bag, tunnel bag and conductive bags. Now let's see what are the advantages of bulk packaging. The bags are flexible, collapsible and durable. It can be used for packaging of powder and any free flowing material. Product wastage or spillage and tampering can be avoided. Since the handling is mechanized, less labor work is required. It saves the time for loading and unloading the material. Bags are light in a weight and therefore freight costs are reduced. It creates eco-friendly nature and pollution-free working atmosphere. The another system of packaging is institutional packages. Institutional packages are of capacity ranging from 2 kg to 10 kg. The traditional materials that we can utilize for this packaging is tin plate containers and jute bags. Currently, laminated flexible pouches and plastic woven sacks are being used. We can also utilize BOPP multicolor printed laminated polypropylene woven bags which are gusseted and have window and micro perforation. Next system is consumer packages. The options available to the traders and exporters in the selection of a consumer pack for domestic and export market are quite wide. The selection or choice of the packaging material or the system depends upon the number of factors. These are the shelf life of the product, the climatic conditions, the type and sector of the market, the consumer preferences, the printability and aesthetic appeal of the packaging. For packaging of ginger powder at a retail scale, glass bottles or glass jars are commonly used. The glass used for food packaging is made up of soda lime glass. Most bottles and jars are tailor-made specifically for one product or one manufacturer. Closures for glass containers are more standardized. Glass containers can be reused or recycled. It eliminates the risk of potentially harmful chemicals found in some plastic that can leach into food, slowly being replaced because of its disadvantages. The glass bottles of various size and shape with label and provide with metal and plastic caps can be used for packaging of ginger powder. The plastic caps have added inbuilt feature of tamper evidence, dispensing, grinding, etc. In this slide, you can see a glass jar with its lid. So you can call it as a lug jar. It is also known as twist of caps, lug caps, which are compatible with containers whose threads are non-continuous. Lugs on the interior of the lug cap correspond with the non-continuous threads and close by a partial rotation. For this sealing and closure purpose, you can use the machine which has been shown in this image. For closure or sealing of the glass jars, you can also use continuous thread caps. So continuous thread caps can be a metal or plastic cap which have various liner options. They are categorized by thread which wrap continuously around a given finish. A few products that traditionally use continuous thread caps include peanut butter and mayonnaise. In this image, you can see the glass jar with the thread caps, and again you can see the sealing machine that you can use for closure and sealing of the thread jars. The next packaging material that we can utilize for packaging of ginger powder is flexible packaging. The flexible packaging in the form of pillow pouch, gusseted pouch or stand-up pouch can be utilized. The printed flexible pouches are generally laminates of various composites like polyester or metallized polyester and LDPE. The another composition is BOPP LDPE. The third composition is BOPP, metallized polyester and LDPE. and the fourth composition is polyester, aluminum foil and LDPE. You can see some of the images for flexible pouches on this slide. For making flexible pouches, polyester and BOPP materials which are used for lamination purpose are generally of thickness 10 to 12 micron. Polyvinylidene chloride, ethylene vinyl alcohol and its copolymer based material have higher barrier properties. The flexible packaging can be of following types like center seal formation pouches, 3 side seal formation pouches, 4 side seal formation pouches and strip pack formation pouches. Here on this slide you can see the specifications for the flexible packs which you can utilize for packaging of ground spices are given. These specifications are given by Indian Institute of Packaging, that is IIP. The another form of packaging that you can utilize for packaging of spices or the ginger powder is tin plate container. Tin plate containers are rigid, round tin plate containers which are internally lacquered. These are covered with plastic or metal caps. Printed tin plate containers with or without dispensing system are also available in the market. You can see some of the images of tin plate container that you can possibly make use for packaging of ginger powder. The next form of packaging is composite container. Composite containers are also used for packaging of ginger powder. The containers are round and the body, that is side wall of the container, is made up of polyethylene coated with foil laminated spirally with paper. The top and bottom ends of the container are made up from metal or plastic lids. The inner face is coated with plastic film or a combination of film and aluminum foil. The function of this material to ensure optimal barrier properties against moisture and oxygen. Next one is kraft packaging. Currently it is very popular material in food packaging system. It is made up of sulfited paper which is made by a process called sulfate pulping process. Polyamide or polyamide resins is used to coat or laminate these packaging material so as to improve the barrier properties. This packaging material has good strength, it has good printability and it also has good appearance. The other advantages are like its low cost, its wide availability and low weight. You can see some of the kraft packaging images on this slide. Some another packaging material that we can possibly use are PET bottles. They have clear appearance, they are shiny and transparent so that you will be able to see through the product which has been got packed inside those bottles. They are unbreakable, they have good barrier properties, they are 100% recyclable. The low permeability of moisture and air or oxygen makes it more advantageous for packaging of ginger powder. The another packaging material which is very common in case of spice packaging is lined cartoons. The liner cartoons, fillings and packaging machines, which are also known as duplex box packaging machine, are used for making lined cartoons. The lined cartoons provides good protection and it possesses barrier properties. These are some of the packaging machineries that you can utilize for packaging of ginger powder. The first image is for bag filling machine that you can utilize for commercial or wholesale pack of your ginger powder. The second image is for automatic FFS machine, that is form, fill and seal machine. The third image is for automatic double head powder filling machine. Under the Packaging and Labeling Regulation of Food Safety and Standard Act, FSSAI has given certain labeling requirements that one should follow, and all those information needs to be there on your product label. The label of your product should possess name of the food material, the list of ingredients in descending order of their weight, nutritional information, declaration about non-vegetarian or vegetarian nature, information regarding food additives, addition of color and flavor if any, net quantity of the food material, name and complete address of the manufacturer, lot number, code number and batch number details, date of manufacturing and packing of the product, best before date, country of origin for imported food products. Instruction for use shall be included in the label if necessary. In this image, you will be able to see the requirements which are stated by the FSSAI. The information about the product should also be given so as to make the consumer aware about the product and help them while using the product. The ingredients, their net weight and best before should also be mentioned on the packaging label. You should also provide some storage instructions so as to avoid the deformation of the product from the consumer side. Again, you need to print the name and complete address of the manufacturer or the packer. And the most important thing is the FSSAI license number should be there on your label. Thank you.